Easter barbecue. So I'm spending Easter alone, but no big deal. I'm here in the forest, gonna have a barbecue and just enjoy nature and enjoy some food. Let's have a look at what I got. So I brought me up some fruit and a nice juicy T-bone. I'm also gonna cook me up a baked potato. I already cut me up some green onions to slap on top of it, along with some sour cream and butter. Got me an ear of corn, cheese to throw on top of that potato. And since I don't really cook in the house, I'm gonna cook me up this smoked sausage and put it in some Tupperware and save it for later. Alright, let's see how this come out. Nice. This steak deserves to be eaten caveman style.